Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel avasluxurysforless with me Avanita. In my video today I'm just going to show you 6 DIY gifts that you can do for Mother's Day, which is on the 14th of March here in the UK. So the first one that I've done with that I'm going to be doing is a Trinklet box that I got from Pep&Co. Pep&Co is in the Poundland and I spent £2 for it. So what I've done is I just took off the tags off it, and now I'm just putting some hot glue onto it. You want to be very careful with your hot glue because you really don't want to burn yourself, as I've always said in my videos. So I'm just going ahead and just hot glue most of the top part of the box. I will break for a moment and then just put my knob in so it gives me a guide as to where I need to hot glue. And as you can see, I'm just putting a little bit of hot glue onto the knob and I'm just going to attach it there and then just continue with the process. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment and share. And if you're returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I went ahead with my metallic spray paint that I got from the pound store. It's in one below and I only spent £1 for it, and I went outside and then just spray painted it silver. You can spray paint it in any color you like, but I wanted it to, you know, look glam and everything, so I used the silver. I didn't like the way how it's just sit bare, so I went in with 4 gems onto the bottom and then just make some feet onto it. I will glam it up at the end, so just stick to the end until you can see what's happened there. Now for the second gift, this one cost me £3.89. I had this basket at home, and then these tissue paper. I already have all these things. I got like for £1 or less. So this scrub I got for £1. The Bart crumble I got for £1 as well. The micellar wipes I got for £1. The Ariel bubbles I got for £1, and then that shower thing, I don't know what you call it, I got it for 39p. So in total it doesn't cost me a lot, and this is a great gift you know, you can give for Mother's Day. And I just went in with some cellophane, yeah, and then just wrapped it. And then for the third gift I got this teacup saucer, yeah, from Pep&Co. It was £3, and I got some Skittles and then just tip it in and then just wrap it with some cellophane and some, you know, some little string, and it looks really cute. Now you can give it on its own or you can add it to something. If you stick to the end, you'll see what I've done with it. And you know, you can go ahead, and they got like blue ones as well, but I choose the pink one. Now for the fourth one, I went into one below and I pick up this Mother's Day box. Now I'm going to make a box floral. I'm so much in love with this. This is actually one of my favorite. So I have all these flowers at home. I didn't buy anything here. That's why it cost me £3. I mean, when I said I don't buy anything, I didn't buy any of the flowers. I already had these at home. All I did was buy the foam for £2 and the box for £1. So in total it only cost me £3. So I just arranged them into the foam, which is in the box, to the desire as to how I want them to look. I mean, you can use different colors, but for me, as I said, I had these flowers at home and I didn't want to go out, so I just used what I had at home. And just try to arrange them so all of them are on the same height. Doesn't matter what kind of flowers you use, as I said, it's totally up to you. They got different color boxes, so you know, I choose this pink and white with blue because I think it looks well with the white flowers, and it looks really cute. Just try to fill in all the gaps so it doesn't look as if, you know, it's not really like a really nice bouquet of flowers or anything. And then all the trimmings that are left over, you can just go around the box and just tuck them in. It would look really cute. It looks really expensive. You can't believe that this is just £3. And even if you buy the flowers, I got these flowers from Home Bargain. I think they were £2.99, so you know, it's not really that expensive. So for the fifth gift, I have this basket at home that I featured in my home hauls in Christmas, and what I did, I just put some tissue paper and also some shredded pink paper. Now I have this eco foil that I have here at home. I paid £3.99 for it. This slippers, I got it from Pep&Co as well. It was £4, and I just tied it in a little jute just to give it a little bit of a definition. It makes it look nice. you know, glam it up and makes it look nice. Now this is a really nice Mother's Day hamper. I think this is 1439 or 1489, I don't remember. So I went into Poundland as well, and I got this jar. I got this Himalayan salt. This is one of my favorite bath salt. I use it a lot. It's really good. And I just poured half of it into the jar. Now when you pour it into the jar, it doesn't look as if you got it from the pound store, or even if you got it from Wilco or Home Bargain. It doesn't look that way. It looks really nice and cute, and to be honest, it looks really expensive. I got the candle from Pepandco as well, and also the little brush, and also that little, I don't know what you call it, that little pink thing. Yeah, I got it from Pepandco. Sorry, I got that one from Savers 39p, and I got the Aerial bubbles from the pound store for £1. So this last gift that I'm doing, I got the basket for £1, the fill-in for £1 as well, and I had some cellophane left over, and what I did is I just took this scrub out, and also one of this bath bomb is like in a unicorn, and I just wrapped it in. So it looks really expensive. I mean, I took it out of the packet, I didn't have to, but because I want it to look really nice, I kind of just give it like a little bit of a definition, makes it look nice, doesn't look that cheap. So it looks really expensive. And again, I went in with a Radox shower gel, put it in, and then this lip balm that I also got from the pound store. Again, one of these orange thing, and one of these little holders, tea holders. I got it from Pepandco. It was £1, and I got some Ferrero Rocher and put it next to it. Now this video is going so fast, but anyway, I just got one of these bowls and just add it on to the basket that I've made before. So this is what the first gift looks like. I mean, I'm not doing it in order, but this is what the basket looks like, and then this is what the second one looks like. I really like the way how everything turns out, and they look really nice, really expensive for Mother's Day. Now I've planned to give to you know, my friend and my sister, because I think they deserve this. They've been in lockdown, they've been in communication with me, and again, the box, you can use it for anything. I've put my wipes and face mask in, or you can put your tea light or wax burn in there, wax melt in there. So you can use it for anything. It's totally up to you. I can put jewelry in there, and this is what my box flowers looks like, or my box bouquet looks like. And you can't even tell that this box costs £2 and this flowers thing costs only £3. Really nice. And this is what I've done with the teacup with the Skittles, and it looks really nice. You can give it together. Guys, thank you so much for checking out my video with me. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.